Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of information technology, specifically focusing on the products of gasoline and electric vehicles. Let's explore the highlights of electric vehicles and gasoline vehicles, shall we? First up, let's talk about electric vehicles, EVs. Did you know that EVs have a battery system that powers the car? This system is designed to withstand water resistance, ensuring your vehicle stays safe and dry. But what about the risk of short circuits? The electrical insulation system is there to protect against that. And guess what? EVs can even perform underwater. Now, let's switch gears and discuss gasoline vehicles. These bad boys are powered by an internal combustion engine, which relies on an air intake system to keep things running smoothly. They also require fuel and lubrication oil to function properly. But be careful, as hydrolock can be a risk. And lastly, gasoline vehicles are made up of various mechanical components. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this presentation informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.